Today we're going to be making fish, maw, corn, pork marrow bone soup. You're going to need to soak about 10 of these pieces in water until it softens. Now this usually takes about 3 to 4 hours. Add 10 pieces of the pork marrow bone to the soup pot and turn the heat on high. Bring the water to a boil. Pour the bones out and then rinse them under cold water. Remember to push the fish maw down into the water so it's fully submerged to ensure that all of it is soft and spongy. Add 2 liters of water to your soup pot, bring it to a boil, and then cover and turn to medium to simmer your pork marrow bones for 1 hour. Remove the husk from your corn, give them a quick rinse, and then chop them into smaller pieces. Use a metal skimmer to skim off any excess oil and debris floating on top of your broth. Add the corn in and then put the lid on and continue to simmer for 30 minutes. Rub all the pieces of fish maw and then squeeze the excess water out. Cut the fish maw into 1-inch pieces. Add the pieces of fish maw to your soup pot. Bring your soup to a boil and then put the lid on, turn the heat to medium, and simmer for an additional 30 to 40 minutes until your fish maw has softened. Now is a great time to add your optional ingredients. For example, you can add lump crab meat or shrimp or diced chicken. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then it's ready to serve.